How to fix Omegle error connecting to server. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can fix Omegle error connecting to server. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right now, I am using desktop or PC. So I am here at Google Chrome. Next thing you want to do, or first thing you want to do, is to click the three tabs on the top right corner of the screen. Click this, then go to settings. Once you're here, you want to go to privacy and security on the left side. And then here you can see the third-party cookies. You can click this. And as you can see right here, make sure it is set on to allow third-party cookies. Don't choose these two right here. Just set this thing here at the first option. Then once you're done, you want to go back by clicking the back button right here in the middle. And then next thing is, let me click or go to the security right here, the security tab. And then scroll down again until you see this with your current service provider. You can turn this thing on, of course. And then right here, make sure to turn this thing on also. This always use secure connections. There you go. I just turned this thing on. And then I think that should be it. So let me test this thing onto Omegle. And there you go, as you can see, you can now use your Omegle safely. And that's how to fix Omegle error connecting to server. I hope the video was really helpful and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.